how secure is your local network infrastructure against modern assessment frameworks. Today, we are deep diving into a powerful, multi-purpose toolkit designed specifically for security researchers and ethical hackers. Over the next 7 minutes, I'll show you the exact installation steps, the mechanics behind its scanning engines, and how to use it to audit your own systems. Let's get into the terminal. First, we'll run sudo apt update to refresh our repository list. This ensures all system packages and dependencies are synchronized before installing the toolkit. Next, we'll use git clone to download the toolkit directly into our terminal. I'll leave the official GitHub link in the pinned comment below and on our Telegram channel, so you can copy it easily. Let's hit enter. Once downloaded, we'll run cd L0p4 Toolkit to move directly into the tool's main installation directory. Now, we need to install the Python requirements using pip install our requirements.txt. But notice, we are adding the break system packages flag. In modern Linux environments, pip blocks global library installations to protect the core OS from dependency conflicts. By passing this flag, we are explicitly forcing the terminal to override this safety mechanism and deploy all the necessary project packages globally. Let's execute this. And there it is. Running Python 3 main.py launches the main core interface of the L0p4 toolkit. As you can see on the dashboard, this framework centralizes an entire modular structure for offensive and defensive testing. We have option 1 for web hacking, which deals with database and server-side analysis. Option 2 houses the network scanner for asset mapping and port discovery, while option 3 covers remote access architecture. Further down, you'll find dedicated structures for DOS simulation, IP geolocation metadata, and even OSINT frameworks for open-source intelligence gathering. This design allows security operators to pivot seamlessly between different vectors during an assessment without switching environments. Keep watching, because next, we are going to dive deep into these individual modules to see exactly how their internal scanning engines function. By selecting option 1, we enter the web hacking module, which unveils a powerful suite of auditing tools. You can see industry-standard frameworks integrated here, from WP-Scan for WordPress diagnostics, to XStrike for cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, alongside DNS and subdomain scanners. For this demonstration, we are launching L0p, an automated engine used to detect SQL injection flaws in database management systems. When the script prompts for the target URL, we are passing example.com, which is a safe standard domain reserved specifically for documentation and educational testing. As you hit enter, L0p initiates its back-end scanning mechanics, sending custom payloads to analyze how the web server structures its database inputs and checking if it's vulnerable to data leaks. This shows you exactly how real-world developers audit their data pipelines to secure them against unauthorized breaches. Now, let's head back to the main menu and select option 5 for IP geolocation. This module interfaces with public database APIs to demonstrate how open-source intelligence, or OSINT, works. When the toolkit prompts for a target, we enter a standard public IP address. Instantly, the script parses the metadata packets and extracts core network routing data. As you can see on the screen, it pulls up the target's country, region, internet service provider, and even the approximate coordinates. Security experts use these exact lookups during incident response to map out where malicious traffic or unauthorized login attempts are originating from across the globe. Remember, this walkthrough is strictly for educational purposes and security awareness. Never run scanning infrastructure or testing frameworks against networks or systems you do not own or have explicit written authorization to audit. Drop a like, hit subscribe for more cybersecurity content, and grab the official link from my Telegram channel or the pinned comment below. See you next time.